Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add songs to a Spotify playlist step by step. First, open Spotify on your computer. You can use the Spotify website or the Spotify desktop app. Once Spotify is open, make sure you are signed into your account. Now, go to your library from the left side of the screen. Here, you will see your saved playlists. Find the playlist where you want to add a new song and click on it to open the playlist. After opening the playlist, look for the Add Songs option. Click on it. Spotify will now give you options to search for songs that you want to add. Use the search box to type the name of the song, artist, or album you are looking for. For example, type the name of any song you want to add. When you find the correct song, click the Add or Plus button next to the song. The song will be added to your selected playlist. You can repeat this process and add as many songs as you want. Simply search for another song and click the Add button again. There is also another easy way to add a song. Go to Spotify search and find the song you want. Then click the three-dot menu next to the song. From the menu, look for Add to Playlist and select it. After that, choose the playlist where you want to save the song. The song will then be added to that playlist. To make sure everything worked correctly, go back to your library and open your playlist again. Scroll through the song list and check that the new song is there. If you want to add more songs later, you can follow the same steps at any time. So that's how you can easily add songs to a Spotify playlist using Spotify on your computer. Thanks for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple technology tutorials.